Oh yeah, that's how clean the engine should be. Oil changes every 1,000 Ks. Look at that, beautiful. Subscribe, turn the bell on if you don't want to miss the videos on this job. Beautiful, look at that. Have a look at them. Hey everybody, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. We're about to put this new engine. This is a new engine, not a rebuilt engine. This is not a rebuilt engine that you call new. This is a brand new manufactured engine that's made in Japan. I'm just thought you might like to have a look at it. And also, obviously we're doing some work on it as well, because that's what we do. A little bit undercover, top secret stuff, but I'm about to put some glow plugs into it. You can see one of the things they don't come with is glow plugs. So it will get the new genuine glow plugs. When you replace your engine, you can reuse the glow plugs. There's a number of things that you can reuse. There's a number of optional extras. There's a number of things you can reuse, but the glow plugs are one of the things that I'll highly recommend you add to your engine replacement parts list. And there's the part number for the genuine glow plugs for the 1kd-ftv, this engine. So just a quick video for you. Hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, turn the bell on if you want more. Check out the playlists, check out all the videos that are already there, and there'll be more coming. So subscribe, turn the bell on if you don't want to miss that. And if you just got a bit of information or learned something, you might want to hit the like button. Catch you on the next one. See ya. All right, a little bit extra. Glow plugs are in. 13 Newton meters, beautiful. One thing I found interesting about this engine is the amount of RTV. So if you read the workshop manual, it tells you quite clearly there's 4 prescribed dobs. One at each side, there's like a half moon there. Good opportunity to show you. So that's a half moon. One little dob there, one little dob there, and then at the bottom of this hump, and same over there. They've just gone absolutely crazy. Like, I'm cleaning off anyway to redo it, but yeah, that's unusual. Someone's going heavy with the RTV. So we'll clean it all up and start again. Another quick tip while we're at it. Brand new engine, brand new. Don't worry about what we're doing. But these little washers, these gaskets, they're about 13 or 15 bucks each. So it's tempting to reuse them, but at least one got mangled. And I'm going to tell you what happens if you reuse them and you have a problem. I'm going to show you another reason not to reuse them. Now, you might get lucky and reuse them, but see this one that got mangled, we'll just ditch that one. Let's pick one that looks good. Here we go. Obviously they're the new ones, that's what we're going to use. Okay, so fuel return line. So all the fuel flows through your fuel system to your injectors and back through the leak back pipe, and it returns back to your tank. So if there's any leaks here inside your engine, here inside your engine, that means the fuel leaks here inside your engine and adds to the engine oil. And there's been a lot of people that's happened to. So if you have a look at the gaskets, these have only been used once, brand new engine. So you can see the head of the bolt where it's depressed into the gasket. I believe they are copper, or if not, a very similar light copper material with a coating over them. So you can see the same thing on the inside of each one. So they squash down, and 13 Newton meters or 16, or depends which one it is. It's not so much about, obviously they would like 16 Newton meters, but when you come to the hollow bolt at the back corner here, I think they're a bit concerned about the hollow bolt, so they back it off to 13, but it's the same gasket. In our kit, in our injector kit, you get 5 of these, of course, for what you need here. And when you see one bigger one, the bigger one is the external side, outside here on the outside of the head there. And some people are going, injector kit, where do I get one of those? You text me Monday mornings, 7:30 AM. So we ditch all of these, we get the new ones, set them in place, which is basically like that, all right. And engine oil on those so that there's oil under the heads of the bolts to lubricate. So hopefully it doesn't grip and twist those and mangle it like what's happened with this one. That's just because it got caught up on the thread of the bolt as it came out, sort of thing. It's a pretty standard thing. See, hollow bolt, all right. So there's a hole down the middle, all right. There's a name for it. You can put that in the comment if you know what it is, and everyone else can have a look and learn something. Yeah, might start with B. Anyway, let's get it all back together, right? Same story goes with these. I'd be even more confident reusing those. Right, they're brand new. The engine's been run because the new engines they run. All right, but and I'm very confident with that, but I'm not going to do it. They are about $6 each. As you can see here, I've already placed nice new ones. Well, it won't focus actually, so you won't see it, but they're down there. It's all nice and clean, and the washers are down there ready for the injectors. Definitely looks better with the new injectors in there. It's really good to show you stuff on a new engine, but see how the gaskets, they're all straight, not twisted. On a new engine that hasn't been messed with, you can usually have those results with the oil and the correct torque settings. But sometimes with older engines that have been apart a few times, it just takes a little burr under the head of that bolt to grab that washer and twist it. So don't worry if that happens, but we got lucky this time. But did you see how clean that is? Beautiful, just like a new one. Let's run over the torque specs that are really important because there's so much wrong information out there. There's an engine rebuilder that does 25, 25, 25, 25. We actually just do the correct torque settings, which is 22 on the injector clamps. That's correct, that is imperative, 22, not 25. These ones here are 16, not 25. 16, copy, not 25. 16, 16, 16. And the one at the back, 13 Newton meters. Anyway, there it is, all back together, brand new motor. And that, single use only injector seats, bit of copper there. Rubbish, because it's single use only.